Hey my peeps, let's make some lace and flower cakesicles for Mother's Day. So I have a cakesicle mold that I'm using. I'm using clay in there, white clay. Then I'm getting something to just make a slit in the bottom so I can put my lollipop stick in there. You can use anything that you have, craft stick, whatever, anything that you have. And then I'm going to get the lace mat back out, and I'm going to roll my clay pretty thin. I kind of want it to be really thin because I'm going to put it on top of the cakesicle, I'm sorry, and I don't want it to be too thick. So I'm going to cut it diagonally, and then I'm just going to cut around the top part where the lace starts, because that's the part I'm going to lay down on my cakesicle. So you want to make sure that your line is pretty even, because it's going to go across your cakesicle, okay? And then you just take the excess clay and push it over to the back. Nobody's going to see the back. You can smooth it down as better if you want. I just, put it on there. Then I got some flowers. I made these flowers with clay and the leaves with clay. And I'm just going to use my tacky glue to put down some leaves, and then I'm going to put the flower on top of that. You can use any leaves and flowers that you have. Perfectly fine. Make sure you press it down really good, because that clay, the cakesicle part, I let it dry overnight, so it was not tacky at all. So in order for the clay to stick, I had to use the tacky glue, and I had to make sure that I press it down pretty good. Okay, so I put a big flower towards the bottom and a smaller one towards the top. Now you could just put one flower if you want. You don't have to put two. This is just, I'm just showing you an idea, and you make it your own. So then I got a little ribbon, and I'm just going to put that on top. I'm not going to put anything in the middle of the ribbon because I want it to be pretty simple, just keep it dainty and stuff. Nothing fancy there, just, simple. Like you guys know, I'm a minimalist. But there you go. Pretty simple, easy cakesicles. Make some to go with the cookies that we made the other day. Talk to you later. Bye.